Today we have something interesting and new. Creepy! Dr. Jart Shake and Shot. It's like a rubber mask. So basically I read the instructions before, so don't worry. You mix part 1 and part 2 together, shake it up like a cocktail, and then use this spatula that's attached to this baby's mouth to spread it all over your face. Yada yada yada. Peel it off, and the results should be surprising. I got the brightening mask. This was actually the last one they had at Sephora, so I have high hopes for it because the other ones were still in stock and this one wasn't. So I'm thinking it's good. I'm hoping it's good, actually. We have the step 1, which is the Shake and Shot rubber mask. It says shake it up, give skin a shot. And let's see. So I'm gonna try to open it and pour it in. And I did read the instructions, and it said you have to put the mask, like once you mix it up, you have to put it on your face within 2 to 3 minutes. I'm a little nervous. I feel like I'm not that fast. I don't know. I might have to set a timer. Okay, I'm just gonna try to rip this. I thought I had scissors, but I don't. I did it! Okay, so I'm gonna pour step 1 into the cup. It's really thick. It smells like just normal skincare. I don't know if you guys can see inside of here. It's gross. I'm gonna hold it like this. Basically, it's a very thick gel type consistency. Very thick. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour step 1 in. Gross. Alright, so I'm dumping that in. Oh god, I got it on my hand. I'm trying to get as much as possible. This mask was not, oh my god. This mask was not as cheap as the normal face mask. Mostly, I think, probably for the DIY aspect of it and the super cute packaging, which, I mean, I'm not mad at. If it has good benefits, I'll probably buy it again. But just note that this is so messy. So that's like a con already. Alright, so we got step 1. Next we have step 2, which is, it says Shake and Shot Rubber Brightening Mask, basically. Instant Brightening Boost. This is the brightening liquid ampule, has vitamin C inside of it. Ha! You guys. It has a freaking little indentation on it where you can just pop it off and pull it off. God, I feel so stupid. Literally, I feel so stupid. Alright, so we have 2 minutes. Let me set a freaking timer. Send a, girl.
What would you like to send? You can ask me to send an email or send a text message.
Set a timer for 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes and counting.
Okay. I'm gonna use this little spatula to like get it down off the edges. I'm running out of time now. So then you put the lid back on with this crazy baby rubber mask. And then put your finger over the baby's mouth. And then shake it. It's so thick right now. Let's check the timer. Siri, what do we at, girl? How much time do we got? So it has to be on your face within the 2 to 3 minutes. I don't hate the texture. It's very creamy. It doesn't smell bad. I just hope I can get this all on my face. This is like oh god, got on my lip. This is asking a lot of someone to not only make their own freaking rubber face mask, but to also apply it hastily. I feel like an esthetician right now. I don't have a mirror. Oh my god! It's going too slow. Alright, I'm just gonna keep spreading this on. Sorry guys, I'm on a time crunch. It's been 2 minutes. I have less than a minute left to get the rest of this on my face. This is messy. Oh good. There we go. All in those edges, girl. Get it all up in that hair. Okay. Let me just calm myself for like 4 seconds. I'm a mess, honestly. Okay, so the next thing is that the mask has to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna set a timer for that.
Your timer is set for 15 minutes.
Oh my god. Gross, gross, gross. Instead of making you guys wait for 20 minutes, I'm gonna jam out over here. And I'll let the voiceover take care of you with a little bit more information about the mask so you don't have to sit here and watch me frigging melt on camera. And then I'll check back in with you guys. So basically, this is a homepage of Sephora.com. Look at that. First one on the page, brand new. You can see they have the 4 different types. So they have the Hydro, they have the brightening one, which is the one I'm trying in this video. They have firming, if you need to get some elasticity back in your skin. And then they have a soothing one. 20,000 likes, and it's $12.
Wasted, youth, killing time, say the truth, feel it.
Alright, so we're on the product page right now. There's that freaking creepy little baby face with a straw. It did go viral, so it must be some good branding. Okay, so basically it says it's good for all types of skin, and it's a DIY rubber modeling mask. The brightening mask ampule contains vitamin C, ascorbic acid, and sea buckthorn fruit extracts. I'm not really sure what this is. I'll probably need to do a Google search immediately after this. The Hydro one has vitamin B5. Soothing has vitamin K3, the brightening one is vitamin C, of course, and then the firming one is vitamin A, retinol. It's such an interesting product, in my opinion. Let's check back in and see how it looks.
Told me park a couple houses down, cause your neighbors on surveillance. It's a favor to your parents while they out of town.
Oh my god, it feels so weird on my face. Like, look at this. It's completely hard and rubbery. I'm not going to peel it off right now because it says work from the outside in. It is completely dry. I'm scared to unveil my new brightened skin. I don't know where to start though, that's the thing. I guess I'll start down here. Oh, so cool. Okay, so here's the unveiling moment. Oh, it's pretty good for like one whole thing across. Does it look brighter? So gross. It's so gelatinous rubber mask. Okay, so this is what it looks like immediately after taking off the mask, as evidenced by the remnant rubber piece. It does look brighter. It says I can use a damp washcloth or a cotton pad to take out the rest of it, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Just give me 5 seconds. Bam. Okay, so I love the way my skin feels right now. It feels so soft and hydrated. I honestly do think it looks a little brighter. Like more consistent. Definitely the dark spots are still there, but overall, like underneath my whoa, Nutella problems. It looks way more even toned. Still some problem areas, of course, but I probably would get another one of these. You got some time to kill, maybe like take a bath. Put it on, take a bath. You don't want to be moving around. I know that's the main problem with sheet masks, but this DIY rubber mask, you do not want to be moving around. It is very messy. If you guys like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more skincare videos, let me know what you want me to test out or review down below in the comment section. I'm totally open to testing pretty much anything. So if that's part of your interest, let me know down below which product I should try. I have a few in mind, but like, recommendations always help, you know. If you want to keep up with what I'm doing, make sure you subscribe down below, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.
Baby, let me bring you around my friends, yeah, they the Paris. I might act a little different, that's just cause they give me courage when I need it. I've been trying to catch a vibe from you. That's exactly why I texted high to you. Won't believe me if I told you that I never lied to you. When you should